What's up guys, it's Logan at S3 Power Sports with another edition of Build or Bust. We've got a brand new 2020 Defender HD8 that we did a full mud build on. All right, so this mud build went completely custom with a full paint job top to bottom. White, Tiffany Blue, way too pretty to be putting in a mud hole. All right, so on the front end, we got the OEM Can-Am bumper. Customer's gonna be installing his own winch whenever he gets the machine back down to Texas. So on this machine, we did a full 8-inch suspension lift from S3 Power Sports, and then also went with a complete set of Gorilla lifetime warranty axles. So whenever this build came in, the customer already had a set of 6-inch Super ATV portals on it. We went ahead and stacked our 8-inch lift on top of that to be able to fit a huge tire. These wheels are completely custom, one offset. You won't see another set like this. Two-tone powder coat by Colby over at BCR. We wrapped that in a set of 42-inch Motohavocs from EFX. What's not to like about these? We got with the customer and decided to go with a set of S3 for Can-Am Nerf bars that we put on this machine, custom powder coated them to match everything else. We wanted to make sure this customer had plenty of clearance with this huge tire, so we went with a Can-Am rear bumper from BRP. That way it's got plenty of clearance, the bed still tilts, it still acts like it should. And he can use this thing on the farm if he wanted to. Customer wanted a fully custom cage, so we chopped the bungs off, chopped the cage height, went with our S3 Power Sports cage, light bar tabs on the front, speaker bar on the back. Customer's gonna install his own speakers whenever he gets back home, but fully custom here, seat drop, cage drop, lights, it's ready to go. When we chop the top on these Defenders, we have to make sure that we have the seats down low enough so the customers don't hit their head while they're riding. Full X3 seats, painted the whole entire base, built custom seat bases, and custom firewalls all around everything in the bottom of the cab. To top this whole build off, Colby over at BCR cut a custom steering wheel to match the wheels on the bike. This is the icing on the cake right here. So this build from top to bottom, completely custom. Everything's done nice, the fit and finish, the paint. We're ready to break necks at the mud park, and we want this guy to be able to do that. So the customer wanted a sweet little windshield, so we custom made this windshield out of aluminum so we can put something across there, some little saying, maybe the name of the machine. To light up the trails, customer went with a 40-inch rigid light bar that's adapted to the side of our cage so everything fits nice. If you want to go from mild to wild with your machine, get with us at S3 Power Sports, call the shop, visit our website, check out the Instagram. We'll get you a quote, we'll get you in one of these machines.